This is Furnace Creek Ranch. We've just finished a day touring all the attractions in Death Valley, and now we're settling down for the evening in our accommodation. A couple of rocking chairs. A fan. Probably the most important feature that you can have in a room in Death Valley. It's actually quite cool in here. It sounds like somebody couldn't wait to get into the shower. Pretty small bathroom. Oh, yeah, you can't see anything. There's somebody in the shower because they stink.
Yeah, really.
And the next stop is going to be the swimming pool, because Death Valley is unbelievably hot.